Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix Steam Cloud Sync conflicts. A Steam Cloud Sync conflict occurs when Steam detects that the save files stored on your computer are different from the save files stored in the Steam Cloud. This often happens after playing a game on multiple devices, experiencing an interrupted sync, losing an internet connection, or closing Steam before it finishes uploading your latest saves. Fortunately, there are several troubleshooting steps you can use to restore proper synchronization and prevent future conflicts. The first step is to make sure Steam Cloud is enabled. Open Steam and click on the Steam button located in the upper left corner of the application. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. Then, navigate to the Cloud section. Locate the option Enable Steam Cloud. Make sure this option is turned on. Steam Cloud allows your game progress and settings to be synchronized between your computer and Steam's servers. If this feature is disabled, Steam cannot upload or download your latest save data, which may lead to sync problems. The next step is to check your download region. Go back to Steam Settings Downloads, locate the Download Region option. Select a region that is geographically closer to your location and confirm the change. Steam may ask you to restart the client for the new region to take effect. Choosing a nearby server can improve connection stability and reduce communication issues between your Steam client and Steam services, which may help resolve cloud synchronization problems. If the conflict continues, verify the integrity of the game files. Open your library, right-click the game that is experiencing the cloud conflict and select Properties. Go to the Installed File section. Click Verify Integrity of Game Files. Steam will scan the installed game files and replace any missing or corrupted files. Although this process primarily repairs game installation files rather than save files, it can help resolve issues caused by damaged game data that may interfere with proper synchronization. The final step is to completely restart Steam. Click on the Steam icon located in your system tray or lower toolbar. Select Exit Steam. This closes all Steam processes running in the background. Wait a few moments, then reopen Steam and allow it time to reconnect to the Steam servers and attempt another cloud synchronization. It is important to understand that a cloud sync conflict does not always mean your save data is lost. Steam may simply be asking you to choose between the local save files stored on your computer, the cloud save files stored on Steam servers. Before choosing, check which save is the most recent to avoid accidentally overwriting newer game progress. Common causes of Steam Cloud conflicts include playing the same game on multiple computers, closing Steam before the cloud upload is completed, internet connection interruptions, outdated or corrupted game files, Steam Cloud being disabled. A common beginner mistake is immediately selecting a cloud or local save without checking the timestamps. Choosing the wrong version can overwrite your latest progress. Another common mistake is repeatedly forcing Steam to restart while a sync is in progress, which can create additional synchronization issues. To summarize, fixing Steam Cloud sync conflicts begins by opening Steam, Settings, Cloud, and making sure Enable Steam Cloud is turned on. Next, change your download region through Settings Downloads to a nearby server. Verify the game files through Library, Properties, Installed Files, verify integrity of game files, and finally exit and reopen Steam. These steps help refresh Steam's connection and repair common issues that prevent successful cloud synchronization. And that's how to fix Steam Cloud sync conflicts.